My hair feels kind of nice. It's weird putting conditioner in it, but. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this on Thursdays and Sundays, and it's just a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy what you see, hit that like and subscribe button because there's plenty to go around, let me tell you. So I got this little cutie here, and we're gonna go ahead and try this out today. It's gonna be a quickie, just so we're all clear, not a whole lot going into it. I already did my foundation, concealer, prime my eyes, flatten my brows a little bit. As you can tell, this whole little hold my brow thing from AOA Studio, it's a learning curve, but we're getting there. We're making progress, and that's what counts. At least that's what I'm telling myself, because dang. We're gonna open this, play with this today. It is one of these cute little shadow quad things from AOA Studio, and of course, because it's from AOA Studio and available through Shop Miss A, pretty much everything is $1 except for this item. It is a charity edition item, so it is $1.55. And then on the front here it says Paw Paw, so part of the proceeds go towards helping animals, which I think is adorbs. I mean, while I'm buying makeup, and most of the time it's really good quality stuff, and part of my proceeds can go towards charities. I love that. It just makes it easier for me, everybody involved, really. So let's pop her out here. Okay, so what it says on the back, they're beautiful neutral shades, which, yeah, they are. Let me open it so you can see. That's one of the reasons I picked it out. No shimmers, it's all mattes, and very neutral, very simple, and that's what I'm going for. Of course, playing with like the little quads or little, yeah, quads. A lot of them are quads, trios. Most of them are quads nowadays, like the little whatever sets you can take for one eye look or whatever. So a few of the claims here on the back of the packaging: it is long wearing, enhancing, buildable. So are you pigment? Okay, it says ultra pigmented. So if you're ultra pigmented but you're buildable, I don't know. Easily blends, high color payoff. It's also free of mineral oil, alcohol, parabens, PEG, synthetic fragrances, and formaldehydes, which is pretty darn cool. Non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. And I think this is the Xenia palette. Baby quad palette, homegirl palette. Do you see it in the back? Yeah, you do. Oh, and it tells you like little synopsises. It tells you a little bit about it back here too. It is Xenia AOA Studio. Part of the proceeds go towards protecting animals against abuse. And then cruelty-free, and then how much is in there? Designed with love in Dallas, Texas. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. That's adorbs. Well, I'm just gonna jump in and put this on real quick. I kind of want to do a wear test now, just to make sure you're long wearing, but I mean, a lot of that goes into what goes on my eye before and after as well. And we're gonna be going out running errands today, so I don't know if it's gonna hold up like I want it to or like it claims. So we might just have to see, but interessante. And it's a quad, so I'm probably, oh, that's a good question. I do this every time, I've noticed. I'm just very unsure until I get into it, and then we go for it, and then I do it, and then it's done. I'm just gonna do that. Real quick though, I noticed my lips are a little dry, so I'm gonna come in with my AOA Studio Oh Honey lip oil. Always at the ready. I love this stuff. It smells good, feels great, and soaks up like immediately. Especially before I do most of my makeup. It's really good to prep with, because by the time I get to the end and I put my lips on, we're good to go. So let's just get into this. I don't know what else to say. Drum roll, please. Damn. My little eyeshadow quad did this. I mean, not all of this, but the eyes, and I like it. It's definitely my color, my feels, me. Yes, sir. Look. Hi. Hello. How are you doing today? Good? Yeah, I could tell. You look good. You look good. Y'all probably feel good. It's gonna be good. Yes. It still looks pretty good. Like, I can't... It looks pretty good. Throw in all my other little go-to faves in there as well. It really helped hold the look together. But even without it, with just the little quad, I feel like this was a really good look. They're absolutely right. There is pigment. It's not a ton, like overwhelming, which is good. I mean, good and bad. For this instance, very good. I think overall, very good. Good pigment, and then when like I needed to apply more or deepen like a crease, all I had to do was just add a little bit more, go back, add a little bit more, and it worked. It did a really good, let me open it so I can praise you in the open. It did a really good job, and I really like these colors. Even looking at it hella close, it's good. We're good. Got a little mascara down here, but it's all good. This did great. I really like this. I think this is perfect, especially at $1.88 to pack, take on the go, quick looks, whether you want to use them all, some, one. So I started with Homie right here, and I just did my transition shade, and it looked so good. We could have left it like that. Honest to God, could have left it like that, and it would have been good. I mean, and then coming in and adding number 2 down here in the corner. You don't have names, so I'm just naming you. They don't have names. But this one down here in the corner, and just like to deepen the outer part of my eye, I was really tempted to just leave it as is. But ultimately, I really want to see how the whole thing does, of course. So that's what I'm doing. That's what we're going to do. I am going to go run some errands. Groceries, children's, maybe some snackums. I'm gonna go enjoy my look. You have fun as well. Let me know if you decide to pick up this quad or any of the other quads from AOA Studio, found on the Shop Miss A website. BT dubs. Throwing it out there. I love them. I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursdays and Sundays. Bye!